Hello guys. So in this video I want to I want to give you an illustration that sometimes as of yet mathematics cannot cover all the subtleties of the human mind. For instance, game theory, it's essentially a mathematical theory of interactions and decision making. And game theory mathematically describes in a rigorous manner how different players interact in different games. It could be cooperative games, non-cooperative games. But the point is that game theory, there are some problems with game theory. Not exactly problem, but the thing is that, for instance, in game theory we assume that all the players, they know all the possible moves that his or her opponent can make, and these are all basic assumptions, and then we assume that the player, they act rationally. They will always make the move that will leave them at a better position irrespective of the decision of their opponent. So we kind of we kind of assume that the player will always make a rational move, but we do not but mathematics does not take into account the fact, as of yet we have not been able to incorporate that into our mathematics, that the human mind is pretty complicated, and the humans don't always make such a rational decision. They don't always do what is best for them. An illustration is that, for instance, the trolley dilemma, the trolley problem. It's a famous thought experiment. Suppose we have a trolley which is moving down uncontrollably at very high velocities down a railway track, and there are four railway workers who are standing on the railway track, and the trolley is moving at very high speed, so they will kind of die if the trolley is not stopped somehow. And you are near the lever, near a railway lever, and if you press the lever, then the track will be diverted, then the trolley will be diverted to an alternate railway track. But in that railway track there stands a single railway worker. Now it's in your hands. If you press the lever, then you can divert the railway track, but then you kill that one single worker, but you end up saving 4%. Now will you press the switch? Will you divert the track? This is the question. Scenario 1, most people in scenario 1 say that yes, they will do so, because of course one death is better than 4 deaths. But now you consider the scenario 2, the similar problem, same problem kind of, but suppose now you assume that there is like just a single railway track down which a trolley is moving down at very high speeds, and four railway workers are standing down that railway track, and beside the track there is a tower, and you are on the top of the tower, and in front of you there stands a very fat man. So if you push this fat person down, he will fall and he will die, but his weight will be enough to stop the railway trolley and save the four railway workers. Now will you push him? So essentially it's the same problem. That is, according to mathematics, it's the same problem, just 4 deaths versus 1 death. It's in your power to kill one person and save 4%. But when in real life, when humans are actually asked the question in scenario 2, most humans say that no, they will not be able to do this, because they're physically pushing the person to the death. And when you're thinking about physically pushing a person to his death, like it's murder. Of course in the previous case also that was also technically murder, but in this case the regions of your brain which control your emotions, which control your all of this, your sense of conscience and all, they get involved, and it's no longer just a math problem in real life. So most people will say that no, I'll not be able to push a person to his death, although I will be able to press the switch in this first scenario. But according to mathematics and logically, if you think, it's both the scenarios, there is not much difference. So this is one example, and basically what game theory does is that game theory assumes that it will always make the rational move. So if you just go by game theory, then of course the player will always, if a player prefers 1 death to 4 death, the player will always press the switch or push the man. But the point of this video is that to impress upon you that mathematics cannot describe all of the subtleties of the human consciousness. It's a very complex system, and our mathematics is not there yet. I'm not saying it cannot be done, maybe it can, but all I'm saying is that our mathematics is not there yet. I hope you found the video interesting, and right now I'm in, this is a forest area. It's called Boxa Jayanti Forest, and right now I'll be posting some more YouTube videos about this trip and some really beautiful places in nature. So keep an eye out on my channel, and thank you for watching. Thank you very much.